What's up, you guys? Your girl Crystal K, and I'm back again with another video. I know I've been gone for like a hot little second, probably like 2 months or whatever, but your girl is back. Okay, back with the videos. Today I'm gonna be making curry chicken with white rice, gravy on the rice, all right? Because you know the vibes, all right? No long intro, let's just get straight into the video. So first we're gonna get our chicken, and then we're gonna drizzle some olive oil over it. Then we're gonna start the seasoning process, which is gonna be onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, and some curry. And then we're just gonna massage that all in. Now preferably use gloves when you do this. I think I ran out of gloves. But yeah, use gloves, you don't wanna stain your hands. And then we're gonna go in with our scallion, our onion, our thyme, our pimento seeds, scotch bonnet pepper, and also some garlic. And then we're just gonna massage that in again. And then we're gonna cover it with plastic wrap and then let that sit in the fridge for like a couple hours. So I moved out of New York. I'm in Dallas now. That's kind of why I've been MIA, trying to get like settled in and stuff like that. But I'm back now, back with the videos. I'm probably gonna do a little life update video coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's get back into this curry chicken. So now we're just gonna heat up some olive oil in a pan and then add in a little bit of curry powder to burn the curry. Let that burn for like a couple minutes. Then we're gonna add in our chicken and let that brown on all sides. So comment down below what you order from the Jamaican restaurants when you go. Is it curry chicken, curry goat, or oxtails? Or do you just order a beef patty? I order curry chicken. That's really like my favorite thing. But yeah, let me know down below in the comments. Now we're gonna move on to the white rice. It's super simple. Just wash 1 cup of rice, put that in a pot, 1 cup of chicken stock, 1 cup of water, a little bit of salt, boom, boom, bam. Let that come to a boil. Then after it comes to a boil, just give it a quick stir, and then we're gonna put a lid on it. And make sure that the heat at this point, it's on low. Then we're gonna go back to our curry chicken and give that a flip so it can brown on the other side. Then we're gonna go ahead and put the lid on, and after about 20 minutes it should look something like this. And in that same bowl that we seasoned the chicken in, we're gonna go ahead and add some water to the bowl and then pour that water into this pan. Then we're gonna add in our carrots and our potatoes and just give that like a quick stir. Then we're gonna put the lid on and cook this on medium-low heat for about another hour. And then by this time, your rice should be done, so just go ahead and fluff out your rice. Don't forget that the measurements will be down below in the description box. Now our chicken is done, so we're gonna go ahead and just plate everything up. Make sure you put that gravy on the rice, alright? So your girl is not Jamaican, but I think you look type of eye. I'm not even gonna hold you. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.